today we're going to go through some more sight words, draw pictures game, where you get to write the words and draw the pictures. And how it works is you look at the sight words, draw the objects, and you make a story from the sight words and pictures. So today we're actually going to make a theme around mom because Mother's Day is coming up. So the first word is mommy, the second word is messy, the third word is surprise, the fourth word is flowers, the fifth word is upset, the sixth word is drive, the seventh word is bubble bath, the eighth word is kids, the ninth word is happy, the 10th word is crazy, the 11th word is breakfast. So let's get started. Okay, so let's draw a bathtub, and we're going to use the very basic shapes. So circle, square, rectangle, triangle, rectangle, straight lines, curved lines, and then you can use patterns, right? Okay, so let's draw bubble bath first. So for a bathtub, we can use rectangle. And to make this look even more like a bathtub, you could curve it out if you'd like. And you could add little legs. You can also add a shower curtain. And we can also add two for a shower head. And we can erase this part down here. Okay. So how do we make it look like a bubble bath? Well, we can add circles. This makes it look foamy. Okay, let's add mom. So how do we make mom? So for the head, why don't we use a circle? And for the body, we can draw a rectangle. And if you want to figure out the legs, you can draw another rectangle. So let's draw mom in here. So let's draw a circle. And if you want, you can draw the body. But if you want to just leave the head, we can just leave the head. Okay, so let's draw mom's face. Let's draw 2 dots for the eyes, a nose, and a smiling face. And let's give her short hair. So for hair, we're going to draw a couple lines, draw her ear, and you can give her short hair like this. Okay. There's mommy. There's mommy in the bubble bath. Okay, so how can we else make this also look like a bath? A bathroom, bathtub. Well, we can add some tiles. And for adding tiles, we're just going to add a pattern like squares. So we can add it to the background. We can also add to the floor. Now we really have something that looks like a bathroom. Let's draw messy. How do we draw something this messy? Well, basically there's lots of things on the floor, right? So maybe there's toys, so we can draw toy cars and toy trucks. So let's use some squares. Make some cars. You can do some Legos. You can draw whatever you would like. Basically just lots of little things everywhere on the floor. So that's messy. You can also draw a towel laying on the floor. So use your imagination and you can draw lots of little things on the floor. Maybe there's a rubber ducky. Alright, let's draw surprise. So surprise is both a noun and a verb. So as a verb is to surprise somebody. So the kids gave mommy a surprise. As a noun, it's also a state, right? So let's look at what the surprise looks like. So if you had mommy's face, we can put her eyebrows higher, and we can make her mouth go, oh, so she's surprised. So you can make a face that looks like that. Surprise. So you can experiment with what surprise might look like. Maybe she has her hand over her mouth. Okay. So how do we draw flowers? Well, we do lots of circles. Circle, and then we can draw some mini circles or ovals. For the petals, for the stem, we can do curved lines or straight lines. For the leaves, we can do these ovals, like a line in between. You can also experiment with different shapes. Okay, so take a minute and draw as many different kinds. So with flowers, I like to draw the circles kind of first, and then I fill things in. Let's fill things in where you might think that they should be. Okay, so for flowers, if you're going to make flowers for mommy, we can make it into a vase. So how do we draw a vase? Well, we can use a rectangle, or maybe we use a circle with a square. So let's do the circle and the square. So you can give mommy a vase for Mother's Day. Okay, let's try a couple other things. So let's do upset and drive crazy. So what would crazy look like, or what would upset look like? So maybe mommy's upset. So upset would be, let's draw the eyes, and the eyebrows go down, and maybe she's frowning. So that would not be so good, right? But we want to make some different kind of expressions so that you can use them in your story. Maybe in your story she goes from being upset to being happy. So basically using those eyebrows. Yeah. Okay. What would crazy look like? Well, crazy could be, crazy kind of like, I like to use this kind of scribble, but maybe that could be a thought bubble for crazy. You can also make her look confused. Sometimes we can also use the hands to help with our acting. But you can also use drive as in a car. So we can draw a car. You guys remember how we draw a car? We draw this rectangle first, then we add the front. So we can use a triangle, or use a triangle in back. We draw the cab, front, and then add the circles for the wheels. Okay, so that is how you can draw a car. So maybe you can drive mommy somewhere. Maybe everyone goes on a trip. Let us do happy and kids together. And so we can draw some kids. So let's draw a boy and let's draw a girl. So both drawing a boy and girl start with a circle and rectangles for the body. Rectangles for the feet, rectangles for the arms, circles for the hands, circle for the legs. make our eyes, nose, and mouth. And we can give a haircut like this. Okay, so maybe that's our boy. And for our girl, we'll do the same shapes. Maybe I would give her a bow tie, a bow on her hair. Okay, and so if we're happy, we would just be using a smiley face. You can also do surprise as a happy surprise. You can maybe make her eyes even bigger. You want to raise the eyebrows. So experiment on how you can make a happy face. Okay? And let's draw breakfast. So for breakfast, let's draw an oval with a plate. And let's think of what we can draw for breakfast. So maybe there's eggs, so I like to draw a circle for the center of the egg, like that. And then if this is sloppy eggs, I do kind of a squiggly circle around, like that. Okay, how do we draw pancakes? Yeah, so we just make a bunch of ovals. And then we can erase the middle. We add a square for a stick of butter. And why don't we have some bacon? So bacon is basically a shape of a rectangle, right? So we can draw some rectangles. And you can make them curvy. You want to do that curvy line. Do that curvy line. Okay. That looks like a pretty good breakfast. You can make an apple. An apple's like a circle. Maybe a little heart-like shape in the middle. And a rectangle here. Maybe shade of orange too. That's breakfast. So we drew mommy, we made a mess, we drew surprise, and we drew flowers, we drew upset, we drew drive, we did bubble bath, we did kids, we did happy, we did crazy, and we drew breakfast.
Wasn't that fun? And wasn't that simple and easy? Alright, so if you like that video, please hit the like button and hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out on any of our videos. We make videos every single week. And we have a special step-by-step guide for you in the link below. So go ahead and click the link below and download it, and we'll see you next time at Creativity School.